Digital transformation refers to the process of leveraging digital technologies to create new or enhanced value for businesses. This entails making changes to business models, processes, products, and organizational structures to better align with the evolving digital landscape. One of the key challenges in this transformation is the need to acquire a diverse range of technical, business, and managerial knowledge. Many organizations face hurdles in this area, as they often lack the necessary digital skills and expertise internally. Obtaining external specialized knowledge and resources can be challenging due to their specificity and dependency on strong network relationships. Social capital, which encompasses the resources available through an organization's network, plays a crucial role in facilitating digital transformation by granting access to external knowledge and resources. Many organizations face hurdles in this area, as they often lack the necessary digital skills and expertise internally. Obtaining external